Ampnet Solar. Amplified, nature's energy transformed. Energy's permission for all life to thrive on Earth, equips Ampnet Solar with the vision of being the luminary and leading team to illuminate and bring power to the world through the necessity of electricity, as well as providing the skilled means of transforming raw energy through the use of solar technology. We are dedicated to preserving Ampnet Solar's valued reputation through the development, implementation and maintenance of first-rate quality control, and the quality assurance measures which comply with the national and international standards of the industry. It is difficult to find reliable, qualified solar installers that provide good customer service and quality work that meets all standards and ensures that each client gets more than expected. As a solar installer, we have helped clients that have been abandoned by installers after receiving full payment without completing the work, systems that do not meet the standards of a solar installation, and inferior products used to save money by the installer. So why choose Ampnet Solar as your preferred solar installer? At Ampnet Solar, we supply, install, and provide the following as part of the standard installation of your solar system, whether it is at your home or business: Aluminium mounting structure, PV isolation and protection box, AC essential backup DB, AC changeover DB, deck type, AC cabling, main DB supply breaker, separate trunking for AC and DC cabling, quality products with proper warranties and after-sales support, quality installation by qualified personnel, on-site supervision during installation, 1 year of free online monitoring and reporting of your newly installed solar plant, 12-month workmanship warranty, certificate of compliance on completion of the installation, a service level agreement between Ampnet Solar and our client. If you are unsure about a solar installer, you can view or download our basic installation specifications checklist in the description below to ensure that you get what you deserve. We hope this assisted you in making an informed decision of whom to trust with your solar solution.